This is a form of bonus. This Gionee S10. Have S10, S10 Lite, S10B, S9 and so on. If you know how to fix this S10, you can fix others. This is one of the most difficult one. As you can see, the flares, there are about 3 flares here. So we have to lose this charging flares cover or the downboard cover. Watch what I'm doing here, because if you fail to lose this, if you wait to remove this before removing the screen, you might spoil the screen. Now remove it, then watch closely. And what you are seeing here is the home button flares. We have to unclip it. You can try to remove the screen, but the screen will not come out because of the home button flares. This is the home button. The screen of this particular phone is always strong, especially if it has not been changed for the first time. So you have to be careful while removing it. There is no flares at the top, so we can easily cut across there. If you are using a razor blade, you have to be careful, otherwise it will cut your skin. So this particular flares, now what you are going to do is you remove the charging flares, and then there is a nut under it. You got to lose it as well. It's when you lose that nut that the home button will now come out. This nut here. So pay particular attention. You must lose that nut. before you continue. Now again, here I've put the screen, the return button, the home button, return button, and back button flex will be on the screen. So I must remove it gently, otherwise I'll cut it. Before I continue, so let me lose this so that I can unclip the CD and the screen. And this is the LCD. And this is the flex. We have to remove this flex gently. If this screen got broken from down, you might not recover this flex, or the flex might cut. But since the downside is still okay, that means our flex is still intact. In case you are not familiar with it, bring the new one and have a look on it. I'll now give you more direction on what to do. This is the new one. You can see the new one. So you can now easily remove the flex from what you observe from the new screen. That is the new LCD. Remember what I told you guys from the beginning. It's not about how fast, but how well. What matters here is results. This one has come out, so let's remove the second one as well. The second one has come out too, and you can see the flex we're talking about. That's why I have to watch all the video before I start asking questions or start working. Had it been we did not see this type of video, this particular one, you won't know how to change this Gionee S10, normal S10 LCD because of this flex. Otherwise, you will cut the flex, and if you cut the flex, you are in soup. You got to pay. So let's fix it on the new flex. Sorry, let's fix it on the new screen, not new flex. Go down the home button, flex. I've now fixed it on the new screen. We now fix our LCD back to the phone itself, believing you're expert on that, so I don't have to talk much here. You know the next thing to do. This particular screen, you have to be careful while pressing it, otherwise it will break. It is very fragile. You have to be careful in order not to break the screen. You fix the battery of the phone and then test our phone. Once it comes up, we're good to go. So let us test the phone. And boom, that is it. That is it. So I've succeeded in fixing this particular Gionee S10. I see the screen. Believing you know the next thing to do. The touch is working. So we're done with this particular one. Thank you as we continue with other ones. Bye for now.